Imagine there was a ChatGPT offline, completely private, that didn't require you to use these terminals, with Olama and all these complicated setups that some of us just don't understand. Imagine there was just a Windows software that would just allow you to chat with AI privately, where you can completely obliterate the conversations when you need to. So let me show you an example of this new Windows software called 192 AI, which literally lets you chat offline to AI at lightning speeds without using your GPU at all. So even if you just have a slow computer, have a watch at this. I just click send now and watch how quickly it responds. Remember, this is not using my graphics card. So my question was, what can this app do? What makes it better than Olama? So as you can see, complete privacy, one-click server and API keys, open source models, and broad compatibilities, because it only needs your CPU. It doesn't even need your, It doesn't need your GPU. So it can work on very, very slow computers. Even if you have a slow computer, this will work for you. And so you'll be able to completely delete chats. For example, if I click reset this chat, it will completely delete the chat, but keep the system prompt. And by the way, for system prompt, you can write whatever you need here, and then you can ask here, and then reset whenever you need. When you've finished, you can just click the delete chat button over here, and then you've completely deleted this chat, and no one will ever know that you had that conversation. Gives you complete privacy, and that way you'll be able to feel safe when you're chatting to AI. Now let's look into the more technical things and why this could be better than the other alternatives on the market. So first of all, you have an API settings here. You can run any GGUF model that you want, even though when you first come here, you click the download model button, and it will actually download a very fast, good reasoning model, and it will just run right off the bat. You don't have to do anything complicated, no terminals like other apps require you to. Then you can just in one click start API server, and you have a server running right at that moment on this URL. Now we actually tried to make it even more user friendly for developers and also for new users. If you want to test the server, you can just go over here and give the server a test. What is your name? When you click run test, it will respond right underneath, right over here. My name is not actually a name, I'm an AI assistant. And you can use a Python request, but of course you need an API key. To do that, you just click generate new API key, give it a name, and then you can actually apply it in one click by clicking this button and then run test, and it will automatically just work. The question was, what was the capital of France, or what is the capital of France, I should say. And as you can see, you also have the curl code over here, which you can just plug into your applications. And that way you can use AI offline. Now, this is so fast. And even if it's just working on a CPU, it's so fast. You could use this as a server for your entire software system without paying API fees to anyone. So just to show you a new chat, how it works, when you click new chat and you type, hey you, look how quickly he responds. It's absolutely quick. Let's try something new. Write me a 100-word story. So as you can see, it's very fast, even though it's running just on a CPU. And basically, we will soon be adding more models, and when you actually come to download this on this website here, when you click download now, you'll be taken to this page here, which is basically a Google Drives page. You can download the exe here. It's quite large because it contains part of the AI model, but there's also instructions here that when you open these instructions, we give a few other models. If you need something more comprehensive, you can download this model, and if you need something permissive, and I know men like this one allows you to chat about virtually anything you want. Now, we're not recommending you download this, but if you want to download this model and have completely unfiltered conversation, that's completely your choice. And once you download them, all you need to do is click update model path and select the one you just downloaded, whichever one it happens to be that you just downloaded, and then that's it. You can now chat to a new model. Thank you for watching this video. Download the software, give it a try. Bye for now.